Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Location. Traditionally styled home with open floor plan in the heart of St. George Place on a quiet tree-lined street. Centered in the fashionable Galleria District, walking distance to the area's best shopping, restaurants and commuting will be a breeze. Mandarin Immersion Magnet School and School at St. George Place nearby.Rarely does a home of this caliber become available. Gorgeous grand entry leading to a stunning foyer with impressive onyx floors, curved staircase with filigree wrought iron handrail and a living room with 20+ high ceilings. A chef's island kitchen with Viking commercial appliances, a built-in sub-zero refrigerator, full-service wet bar with 22,000 gold-plated fixtures exude elegance. Large game room upstairs, a cozy study with bookshelves and 3 elegant fireplaces. All bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. One of a kind.